Start your day feeling more calm and refreshed with gentle seated stretches designed to help loosen stiff joints, ease tension, and invite in a more peaceful, stress-free day. And be sure to stick around until the end because I have a few special gifts for you to enjoy. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this relaxing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. Inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, imagining tension sliding off with each exhale, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades, and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Continue breathing smoothly and deeply as you switch directions. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across your body. Use your left hand to gently hug your right arm in. Drop your right shoulder away from your ear, relaxing your jaw while softening through your face. Feeling a gentle stretch across the back of your right shoulder and upper back. Release and go ahead and repeat on the opposite side, keeping your shoulders down and back, reaching energetically through your left fingertips. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating right and left, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your spinal muscles along the mid and upper back, side waist, and obliques. Release, returning to center. Sitting tall, use your hands to draw your right leg in closer, adding ankle rotations, increasing circulation and joint mobility in your lower leg, stretching through your calf muscle, ankle, and foot. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your left foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release, returning to center, moving into a one-legged seated forward bend. Extend your right leg forward with your heel to the earth, toes pointing upward. With your hands to your left thigh for support, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your shoulders relaxed, feeling a gentle stretch through your hamstrings, calf muscle, right foot, and low back. Slowly return to upright, and then go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. With your hands to your right thigh, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Come to sit a little more forward on your chair, clasping the sides of your chair for support. Step your feet into a wide stance and then lift your heels, coming onto the balls of your feet. Moving from your hip joint, begin to alternate dropping one knee inward, adding an internal hip rotation, and then repeating on the opposite side. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, creating more mobility and flexibility through your hips. Release and step your feet back to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest. With your right hand to your right leg, begin to circle your right leg open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release, set your right foot to the earth, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. With your left hand to your left leg, begin to circle open and around for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, moving within your own range of motion. Release and set your left foot back to center. Draw your right knee in towards your chest and place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase the stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, feeling a gentle stretch through your outer hip, glute, deep hip rotators, and low back. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this gentle hip opener on the opposite side. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Continue breathing deeply as you release and return to center. Place your hands to the seat of your chair and lift your heart, keeping the back of your neck long, drawing your shoulder blades down and back, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, keeping your legs active, pressing down through the soles of your feet. Continue breathing deeply, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Slowly release and step your feet back to center. Moving into a cat-cow stretch. With an inhale, lift through your heart, drawing your elbows in towards your sides, making a light fist. And on your exhale, sweep your arms forward with the backs of your hands facing each other, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, creating more space and ease through your neck, shoulders, chest, arms, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Exploring a calming breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Exhale softly through your mouth for a count of 6 or 8, like you're blowing out a candle. Stay with this rhythm. Inhale 4, and slowly extend your exhales to a count of 6 or 8. As you breathe, imagine your whole body feeling a little more relaxed with each exhale. If thoughts show up, let them drift by, and gently bring your attention back to counting your breath. Do 2 or 3 more rounds, and then allow your breath to be easy and natural, letting go of any unnecessary effort in your body as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you feel ready, invite a deeper breath in. Slowly opening your eyes, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide and 3 free full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.